Hello, it's Claudio, and in this tutorial I will show you how to check if a Python string contains a number. Let's start with the method isdigit. This method belongs to Python strings and allows you to tell if a character is a digit or not. Let's have a look at the three examples on line 2, 3, and 4. The first print statement prints true because the character 1 is a digit. The second print statement prints false because the A character is not a digit. And the third print statement prints false because the character is empty. Now let's start to use the isdigit method in practice. We will create a custom function called contains_number. This function will return false if the string passed to the function doesn't contain any number, and it will return true if the string contains at least one number. As you can see on line 22, 23, and 24, we are calling our function with three different strings to make sure that the logic in the function works well. On the first line of the function contains_number, you can see a for loop. The for loop goes through every character in the string passed to the function. Then inside the for loop you see an if statement that checks if a given character is a digit or not. If the character is a digit, we return true. If there are no numbers in the string, the function returns false. Let's execute the code on line 22, 23, and 24 to confirm that the function works as expected. The first test returns true because the string contains some numbers. The second test returns false because the string Python doesn't contain any number. And the third test returns true because the string Python3 contains one number. It's useful to know as a developer that a problem can be solved in multiple ways. So let's have a look at a second way to solve this problem. This time we will use a list comprehension. The result of the list comprehension on line 15 is a list of booleans, where every boolean is either true or false if the respective character in the string is a number or not. This means that for the test string adf2, we get back a list of 4 booleans, where the first 3 are false, because the first 3 characters are not numbers, and the fourth is true, because the fourth character in the string is a number. Now let's use the list comprehension in the function contains_number. The purpose of the function is exactly the same as the function we've seen before. What we are changing here is the implementation of the function. You can see that the function contains a single line that passes the list comprehension to a function called any. Any is a Python built-in function that, if applied to a list, returns true if any element of the list is true, and it returns false otherwise. It also returns false if the list is empty. Let's execute again the test code on line 22, 23, and 24 to confirm the result is the same we've seen before. Let me know in the comments which method do you prefer, the one using the for loop or the one using the list comprehension. I will also include a link in the description that will show you other ways to solve this problem. Subscribe for more tutorials that will help you advance your Python skills.